Welcome to our YouTube News Roundup, where we dive into the latest developments from the world of Apple and tech news. Apple has shifted its pricing strategy, introducing more affordable products to reach a wider market, including the anticipated launch of Mac laptops with M5 chips, new monitors, and the iPhone 17e in the coming months. The upcoming iPhone 17e is set to maintain its entry-level pricing while featuring the same A19 chip as the flagship model, solidifying its appeal to budget-conscious consumers and keeping Apple competitive against brands like Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo. Recent sales of the iPhone 16e spurred remarkable pre-order numbers for the iPhone 17 series, with over 3.7 million pre-orders for the standard version on JD.com, and Apple's stock enjoying a boost in response to robust demand. Meanwhile, the FCC inadvertently published the confidential electrical schematics for the iPhone 16e, raising concerns about information security and highlighting the delicate balance regulators must maintain when handling proprietary tech filings. This leak provided competitors with unprecedented technical access, sparking discussion about the potential impact on industry innovation and the effectiveness of current confidentiality protections. Apple also addressed issues faced by users, releasing iOS 26.0.1, macOS Tahoe 26.0.1, and more in a flurry of point releases, targeting bug fixes like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi disconnections, cellular issues, and usability problems on the latest iPhones and Macs. The macOS Tahoe update notably enabled certain Mac Studio M3 Ultra models, previously unable to upgrade, to receive the new software and benefit from Apple's continual push towards system stability. However, concerns loom over Apple's supply chain integrity as Foxconn, its main iPhone assembler in China, faces renewed scrutiny for labor abuses including excessive overtime, wage delays, and discriminatory hiring practices. China Labor Watch reports that over half of Foxconn's workforce are dispatch staff, far surpassing the legal limit, and many endure punishing hours, delayed wages, and a lack of paid benefits, despite company denials and Apple's ongoing investigation. A detailed 6-month probe corroborated these findings, bringing attention to restrictive contracts, minority discrimination claims, and improvements that are often only incremental rather than systemic. Now, for our quick listicle: 1. Keep an eye out for Apple's M5 Max and new iPad lineup. 2. Update your devices for maximum security and performance. 3. Follow industry developments surrounding leaked trade secrets. And 4. Stay informed about labor practices shaping your tech, Apple's shifting market strategies, software reliability efforts, and ethical supply chain challenges all signal a dynamic, rapidly evolving tech ecosystem. What do you think about Apple's approach to affordability, privacy, and responsibility? Share your thoughts in the comments, like and subscribe for more tech news, and let us know which stories you want us to cover next.